He looked like one of the gay kids. That was so funny. Watching them all mixed up too.
Hey, lady, what's your name, lady?
Taisha.
Taisha, what?
Fields.
Phil, what you here for?
Grandma's birthday. And family.
Oh, yeah, and family. I like that answer. What's your name, young man?
Anthony.
Anthony, what? What you here for? What's your name?
Marty.
Marty? Marty what? What you here for? Family? All right. Sound like a plan.
I'll get my kids.
Say, young lady, are you the cook here?
Yep, sir.
What's your name?
Miss Hershey.
Miss Hershey. What are you here for?
Huh?
What are you here for?
For my grandma's birthday and to cook some food that tastes good.
Oh, all right. Say, little girl, what's your name? What's your last name? What you here for? Hey, little girl. Oh, you running from the camera, so I don't even want. What's your name? Oh, none of your business. What you here for? Eat some food? Have some fun? Hey, little lady. What's your name?
Brianna.
What you here for?
Because
Because of what?
I don't take a picture.
Oh, you gonna have some fun? You gonna eat a lot of food? We got some candy over on that table too. Matter of fact, let's see if we can find it right fast.